This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 70 of building the Ford GT. In this issue we will be doing this bit, the left rear brake. After looking through the magazine, we've got the man who instigated Ford GT. Instigated? Is that? I know it's a word, but is it the correct word? Not invented. I don't know. Well, obviously they've used it. I'm sure it's the right word. But there we go. We can look at that. I don't know who that man may be, but if you read the words, I'm sure you will find out. You can have it in any colour you like, as long as it's red. Yes, the left rear brake to fit to the left rear tyre that we put on last time. Like that, big chunky thick wheel, lovely wheel. So yes, lots of stuff to do on that. We should do that momentarily. After looking at that, you'll be able to see the picture in picture up on the side there a little bit clearer than you can see it now. So that's that, all good to go very soon. So let's clear it out that way and let's get it built. So here we have the parts. We've got the disc brake, which we shall put together thusly just by popping 3 pins through there. Is there an orientation? They look to be about equidistant. So we'll see if I get that one lined up with that one. That one is lined up with that one, and that one is lined up with that one as well. That all just pops through like so, nice and easy. Then we put that aside and put these bits together. And they go like that, and that's what this bar does. Excuse me, let's get the pin through that. One end of that is more knurled. So let's hold the knurled bit and push the other bit through. Goes through there fairly easily, and through there fairly easily as well, I would expect. Once you get the hole lined up, there we go. So that lines up there, and that last little bit will be the bit that's a little bit of a struggle to get it through to hold it in place, but not too bad at all. That's in there like that. Gives us that universal joint there, so you can rotate it from almost any angle. A little bit of flex in there for the suspension, no doubt. Then we are putting this on there. That does have a keyed place, but not on there. This is for the inside of the wheel's got a key. Yeah, the inside of the wheel has got a notch on it. So that goes on there like that. Then we have to fit the brake caliper. I believe that's what that is. On there, we've got one pin and one screw. So the pin goes on there. The FD08 screw, like that one. We'll hold that in place. That holds the brake pad bit in place, and that as such will hold the disc in place. There we go, that's that. Can go a little bit tighter than that, I'm sure. Yeah, a fair bit tighter than that actually. Almost a difference how you hold it. So there we go, that's that in there. That will turn, and then we need to fit that to that. So to get rid of the hubcap, because that's not magnetized at the moment. The post is that way, so let's get that bit that way. That will key in place on there, and then the disc will attach and not move, but the rest of the wheel will. And then that goes through there like so. So that will enable that to turn, but not the wheel, or indeed that to stay still, and the wheel will turn, as will that post. It would be attached to a drive shaft or something, but obviously it's not. So I need one more screw. This is going to be the O2 screw to hold that in place. Just the one screw. Out you come. Thank you. Come on, nice and easy. You know you want to. Apparently you don't want to. There we go. So that will hold in the middle there. Make sure that is nice and tight as well. Still not so tight that this bit doesn't move. That still rotates, so the wheel will still turn. Good. And then the magnet will work onto side here. Yep, the magnet just holds that in place on there. Nicely covers it up and hides it away for another time. So there we have another issue done. I like these. They're very simple, very nice, step-by-step, easy instructions to follow. So yeah, there we go. That's that, ready to be installed at some point very soon. But for now, that is that. So thank you very much for joining me on this. I shall see you next time for more of this and other part works in between times. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.